Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to add hyphen between words by find and replace. The find and replace function also can quickly replace spaces with a hyphen. Select the data that you want to add hyphen symbols. Then press the Ctrl H key simultaneously to open the find and replace dialog. In the find and replace dialog, under the replace tab, enter a space by spacebar to define what text box, and type a hyphen symbol to the replace with a text box. Click the Replace All button. A dialog pops out to remind you how many cells have been replaced successfully. Please click the OK button to close it. So far, all spaces have been replaced with a hyphen in the selection. Close the Find and Replace dialog. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.